Alright, so we're just cleaning up the bike as the snow melts. Hopefully get out riding here soon. And one of the things I was working on is doing some fixes on the plastic on this bike. Right here it broke. It's just same on the other side, and to fix that as well. But I'm just going to show you a quick little to-do on how to do the stitching with zip ties. Alright, so what we're going to do to patch up this fender is we're just going to take a small little drill bit and get some electrical ties, or wire ties. Just drill out a couple holes on the plastic. Just try to keep them evenly spaced, and you don't want to have too big of a bit because if you can keep a small tight hole, it looks cleaner. But you're just going to drill out the holes across from each other. I guess it depends if you want to go crossways or if you want to just go directly horizontal from each other. But once you get your holes drilled, then you're going to put your electrical ties through. Okay, so we've got our holes drilled, we've got our electrical ties in, and when you stick them in, you're going to want to take and make sure that they are positioned with the fastener side on the inside, because if not, that'll stick out and it won't look as good. But anyways, you're going to stick those in, and then just take the other side and stick it through like that with each one. Alright, so just as we've got our zip ties in, hold them tight, or as tight as we can get them. Just from the back side here. Just like that. Make sure your plastic's all lined up flush, or as flush as you can get it. Pull them tight and just take a pair of side cutters and clip them off. Just like that. Then your plastics are all cleaned up.